Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video we have a Canon EOS M50 where the autofocus and manual focus on this dial isn't working when we select it. So if you have a similar camera and a similar issue where the screen shows MF and this dial isn't working, then this is the video for you. I'm going to provide the solution. First, let's demonstrate what's going on here. Let's go ahead and turn on the camera. Right now it's on manual focus mode. And then when I go try to click it, nothing happens. I'm on camera mode up here. Nothing happens when I click. If I select the rangefinder here, like this, I can't, the screen is working. But you see it says MF up here on the top corner, manual focus. Now another thing we want to do is select the asterisk button here and check if your f-stop. If the f-stop says 00, as it says down here, then that's a clear indication that something's wrong. There should be f-stop, and then it should give you the exact one on this range here. So if you have f00, autofocus and manual focus isn't working, then the f00 means that the lens isn't properly being seated down. You have to rotate this clockwise to make sure that it clicks in properly. You see that click right there? It has to click in properly. Let's go ahead and restart the camera. Now when I click autofocus and manual focus, it toggles correctly. And now if we click the asterisk, now I have an f-stop of 5.6 instead of the f-stop 00. So if you have f-stop 00, that means that the lens isn't properly mounted correctly. So this little white dot here has to be rotated all the way clockwise to hear the click for this button to be working properly. And also, if your lens is a little bit different, this one's the default one that comes in with the actual camera that you buy. Make sure that there's no switch for autofocus and manual focus as well. Not this switch here. This one's just the switch for to put in the lens away, put it away or open it and close it. But in most lenses, some of them have a manual and autofocus little button that you have to press to open it up, to toggle that functionality better. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching.